say Finish Line at JD Sports has been holding it down for your boy, man. Another bag secured. Another under retail cop as well, man. If you got points, use them. And if you don't want to use them, you can go ahead and send them to me because I will put them to good use. So retail for these joints, $200, $20 off, $180. After tax came up to $191. So yeah, here we go, man. Oh wow. The last pair of twos I copped, I think they dropped in 2015 maybe, and it definitely didn't come in this box. So we got the Air Jordan Wings logo with the cream, I guess the cream upper, like cream and khaki or off-white and khaki. So you can see it goes around. Then you get the black bottom half of the box. Anything different? You got like the Nike branding right here. I'm not sure if any other twos came in this box, but if you have like any other more recent releases of the twos, let me know. Nothing on the inside of the box that's crazy other than you got this little pamphlet, I guess. So yeah, typical like merchandise pamphlet or product pamphlet detailing like all the materials and technology and all that good stuff used in this particular shoe. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I've been waiting on this shoe for about 10 years. And when I say that, it's no exaggeration, man. Like, I think they dropped, what was it, 2010 or 2011? And they came out as the quarterfinal colorway. So that's what I refer to them as, the quarterfinals. And the white, gray, and red, that's the Chicago to me personally, but whatever. It's a nickname. You know what the colorway is, so you don't even have to get into all that. Let's go and get into the shoe. It's been a long 10 years, dog. Because every pair that I saw after the release, man, they were either beat to death or they were like super stretched out, man. Like, I guess for some reason, people that wore 12s during that time span had like wide feet. So like every pair of shoes that I saw out there available on the aftermarket were like stretched out. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all that close up, man. This is a beautiful shoe. And off rip, I can already tell that the leather is a lot softer than those older twos. So I'm not mad at that at all. You get this. It's a different little Jordan Wings hang tag, like a cardboard or like a start. Is it? Would it be starch paper? Something like that. You know, parchment. No, it's not parchment. It's like a starch or whatever. You know what I'm talking about. Then you get the Nike Air on the back side. Like overall, as far as colorway, there's not much to it. Classic white upper, black midsole. Reminds me of like the Cardinal 7s. You know, because it's one of the rare Jordans that has like a fully black midsole with a white upper. So you get the hits of red on the back as well as that Nike. I think it would have looked very crazy to have a Jordan 2 with a Jumpman on it. But I don't know. Like, have they done a 2 with a Jumpman on it? Like, just to see how it would look? Because I think that'll look wild. But you can even see it, like the leather. Let me see if it's going to focus. It's a pure white shoe, man. It's crazy. Looks like it's a crinkling up right here. Oh, yeah. Not sure if that's like a defect or that's just one of those leather quality things where, like, you know, if it wrinkles up off the rip, then you know it's alright. But that's kind of like the that's on that ostrich skin or full ostrich, whatever texture they wanted to throw on this joint to make it, you know, premium. But yeah, for the $200 price tag, you know, I'm not mad at the box. It's definitely a sturdy box, something different. I know we don't wear the box, but when you're paying a certain amount of money for shoes, any little details can go a long way. And you already get like the defects, as you can see that on the midsole. It's like a paint defect, like they painted on top of something. I don't know. But yeah, like I said, white upper, smooth leather, other than the side paneling by the heel with that ostrich leather or ostrich whatever. Smooth leather through the rest of the shoe, and then you get the eyelets. Kind of like a, I would still say white, but they don't match the eyelets on the upper ankle. You can see those are two different sets of eyelets. I'm just gonna focus. So yeah, let me know if you were able to cop. I know it's Friday and a lot of people were probably at work. Luckily, I was off. Oh yeah, on the heel, not the heel, the insole, you get that Nike Air. Then you get the Nike on the bottom. Nothing crazy. I mean, it's just a classic Jordan colorway, classic Jordan silhouette, man. Like I said, I've been wanting these for 10 years. It's probably gonna be a quick review because there's not much to go over in my opinion. Like you can go in depth, but it's all white leather, black midsole. You get hits of red here and there. And I definitely want to get this out ASAP. So the shorter the video, the faster the editing process is. And I think my camera is about to die too. So perfect timing right there. See, let me know if you're able to cop. Let me know if you are still trying to cop. Let me know if you can go the resale route. I don't think they're going for much over resale. I know a few people copped off Flight Club early this morning for like $45 over retail. So if you want them, you might have to spend a little bit of bread, but I think they're definitely attainable. As of right now, I'm not sure if the price will go up because it has been a long time since the retro release. So, and I don't see them really coming back. Twos, they drop them and that's it because a lot of people don't really like them. It's not very popular as far as silhouette goes, but all of a sudden everybody wanted these joints. Whether they really wanted them or not, they just following the hype, the trend, whatever. Dope shoe, glad they dropped. Hopefully it's not another 10 years before they drop again, but who knows. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. So excited to get these joints, and catch y'all next one.